It's been announced tonight on Raw that Mr. T will be going into the WWE Hall of Fame class of 2014. Apparently, this news broke out early in the day. TMZ talked about it early today. I did not hear about it till just right now, being that I was all day at work and I just came back home from work a couple minutes ago. But again, Mr. T going in the Hall of Fame in the celebrity wing, it's understandable. Mr. T was involved in WrestleMania 1's main event between him and Hulk Hogan versus Roddy Piper and Paul Orndorff. Alright, he was one of those first celebrities to do the crossover between entertainment and pro wrestling back in the mid-80s, alright? Also, he was a star in the A-Team and also, Clubber Lang in Rocky 3, alright? So, I guess in a way, he is a name going into the Hall of Fame, especially for the celebrity wing. Alright, and also, he was part of WrestleMania 2 in a boxing match against Roddy Piper. When you think of Mr. T's time in WWE, you think of his feud with Roddy Piper back in the mid-80s. Alright, but now you ask yourself, who will induct Mr. T? I personally feel, based on all of this that we've been hearing, Hulk Hogan will be the one to induct him. I think that would make sense, but with the WWE, you never know. Alright, and I find it funny because a while back, WWE had a rumor going around. Well, not them, but there was a rumor going around that WWE wanted to induct the WrestleMania 1 main event. And now with Mr. T going in, everyone involved in that main event for WrestleMania 1 are in the Hall of Fame. Alright? And as well, I remember a while back, Mr. T even said that he would not go in the Hall of Fame. And it's amazing how things change in such a amount of time. That's my thoughts, of course. Let me know your thoughts. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you later next vid. I'm out. Peace.